Hello, hello, hello.
So what
I
else
got a
are you
happy
looking for?
mail.
The first usable
Again.
on that, or
And I opened the end, and I'm going to take this out, and we're going to take a look, okay?
according to the account, it says 29. I bought the 29. I'm sorry?
Okay, that's it.
More details on the counter.
So I got this from
Usually, like, the first usable would
Miss
be,
Rose.
the shot 177.
Look at how cute he is.
Okay. and then
I
the
love him. He is
will be right after that,
adorable.
178.
I like him. He might be the new mascot. Just keep him in the corner. And then she sent me this pad. Ooh, purdy pad. I have to open it. I have to open it because it's a purdy pad. Yeah.
Other documents for this account.
We like it. That one. That one. I like this one. And that one. Okay, I like them all. I could do a whole book of this. It's like a brick wall, and then like paint. Hi, Harry. And then that's the other one of the last one, but you know it faces out in the book. Okay, so she sent me some paper. And I'm going to put it back in the envelope now because, well, we all know me. I will lose it. Goes in there. Put that over there. And then I got these. Oh, bag of goodies. Look. Napkins with bones. You know those are going to go in a journal, right? And some mustaches. Look at these. Ooh, look at those. Look at. And they're metal. And I'm gonna do some stuff. And look at there's a hand. Mustache. There's some mustache. Harry, nobody needs to see you right now. I'm showing Rose's stuff. Which probably he probably smelled Rose's cat. Put those over there, and then there's this. Ooh. This is a Rose journal. Look at all this stuff on here. She sewed it. Oh my god. We need to look at this closer. Hold on. There. That's better. Look at she fussy colored. Pigs flying. Love it. Look at. She put a little tab up here. Look at the lace over it and everything. Ooh, look at the back. Look at the little card right there. It's like a little pocket. Some ledger paper. Dr. Pepper! And that's a pattern. She used the pattern to make the pocket there. And then there's Dr. Pepper. Look at this. And she embossed on here. Oh, no, that's not embossed. That's not embossed. No, it's not. It's not. It looks like it, but it's not. Texture paste. And it looks like Franken paper. And that's, I know that. That's Amy paper. Little tab. Look at she fussy cut the boot out on the music sheet. And look, she stamped everything. She went through with the same stamp, and they're off stamps, so they look really cool. Look at Japanese. And everything's inked. Ah, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. She knows how I love the grunge, you know. How I love the unusual. Oh, and some Halloween bingo cards. Look at their little, and like for journaling, you know, but they're Halloween bingo cards. I like that. I love this pocket. Look at that. That is awesome. And then there's this flippy out pocket. And a pinup girl. We all know how much I love my pinup girls. Yes, I do. Dr. Pepper! Look, it's a glassine bag. Look, there's something in there. I see it. More pinup girls. I love my girls. What can I say? I have a whole book of these. Like an actual book, you know? Pinup girls over the years.
Yeah, so your usable
I like her. And I've been working on making a pinup journal, so those will work for me. And more pinup. Look at the beautiful lace. And another one of those big, and a little corner. Look at, she made like a little corner tuck with it, with the, that's upholstery. Oop, missed a pocket. An old-fashioned idea exploded.
Can you hear me?
How cute. And I don't know what she did on this pocket, but it's like it's an envelope or something, and it's got like a seal on it, like a, I don't know, maybe it's like triple thick or something. Anyway, it has a texture. And look, there's a little flip right here, a little fabric flip with paper for writing. And then a little card in another pocket. That is, yeah, that feels like she Mod Podged a napkin over like a pattern. Legs in a jar. Love it. And then there's a pocket here. Look at that. Look at that sucker. It's huge. Huge tag. Yeah, it's like it's Mod Podge. And then there's a little thing in there that she wrote, "Thank you for everything," from Rose. And that's the back. And it's like fabric on paper. It's really cool. Look at this thing. Make me cry. Thank you, Miss Rose. If you haven't seen Rose create, I will leave a link to her page in the description box below. Thank you, Miss Rose. You didn't have to send me anything, and I love you for it. I hope that you're enjoying your vacation, and I can't wait to talk to you when you get home. Love him. Stinking cute. Until the next time, guys, listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the red button for me and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all of your friends, and then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. Until the next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.